Yo, what's going on? In this video, I want to talk to you about your YouTube catalog and how you can use that to make more money. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Carter from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And this is a video I wasn't even going to record today because I've got other stuff to do, and I think this may get interrupted by an appointment that I got at my flat. Hopefully not, but basically I'm very passionate about this subject because it's a business tactic that I've been using on YouTube, and it's something that a lot of people, especially viewers, especially new people to YouTube, ignore, and I think they overlook. And that's catalog. That's focusing on creating a catalog of work. Now, most viewers of YouTube, especially for gaming content, they'll just look at your latest video and take that as an indication of how your channel is doing. And if you look at my latest video for the past week, you'll probably see, I don't know, 50 views, 70 views, 100 views. Some of them may have 200, I don't know. That's the type of views you'll see for the past week. So looking at my subscriber count, you see like 26,000, you see 80 views. You're like, okay, this guy's probably not making a lot of money from his YouTube channel. And that's a fair assumption when you don't know anything about YouTube. Fair enough, okay? But the thing is, yeah, I'm bringing in about, I think last time I checked, it was like 311,000 views per month. So in the last 28 days, there's like 311,000 views that came into my channel. Now, obviously, that didn't come from the newer videos that I'm putting out on my channel because I focus on long-term videos. I focus on making evergreen content that people may not care about now, and I don't care if they care about it now, but people will have interest in it forever, so it continually brings views and traffic to the channel. And I've got many videos that I had with that same strategy in mind that I released 3 months ago that are now, upwards of 10,000 views. Maybe some of them will just hit 1,500, this and that, and then eventually they keep on growing, and they keep on bringing in views. And that's what I suggest you guys do with your channel, so that you have a long-term channel that isn't just based on every new video you upload, because that is a very bad place to put yourself in, because then you get on that YouTube hamster wheel of having to be that person with the new content, having to be that person who's got the first video out on this, and then you're up at 2 a.m. to try and get that sort of stuff done. But when you're starting out, you should probably do that. Now I'm past that. I've got so much catalog that I don't really need to be chasing views. It doesn't really make sense. It doesn't really align with my business goals for me to do that. But I've put myself in a position to be able to ignore trying to go viral or do trending videos, although I can if I've got the time to do it, but I'm able to ignore that because of the catalog that I've created. And if you look through my channel, you'll see I've done many really focused, I've had focused areas in my channel where I focused on a specific game, a specific type of content. I went really, really hard with that, and then I moved on to the next one. So I've got that catalog of content that people are coming to my channel for forever. I'm still getting people saying thank you on my UFC 2 videos. UFC 3 has come out and people are still watching my UFC 2 videos. Obviously not a lot, but people are still watching those. People are still watching my Fallout 4 videos. Like these super old games. Dark Souls 3, I made like 2 videos on that. And that video's got like over 2,000 views now, I believe. I made like, I don't know, 2 tutorials on Witcher 3, and those are over like 1,000 views. People are still watching those, and I made those in like 2015. This alarm, come on, chill out, cuz. So I made those so long ago, and people are still watching those today. But what I want to talk about is how to create catalog that actually makes you money. Now, these videos, of course, they bring in some AdSense, and that's okay. That's great. But that's not where you actually make a lot of money on YouTube. If you focus your channel on making AdSense money, you're going to be doing a lot of work for very little money. And that's just the truth of it. And at any time, you may put a video out that's not advertiser friendly. You may lose your right to monetize. Like, anything can happen. YouTube may change its algorithm that stops you getting as many views. So you need to basically create something that you own that you can continuously make money from, or just create revenue streams in, you know, your different videos. So what I would suggest, which is a great strategy that works, is you get an affiliate. You get an affiliate product that you really enjoy. For example, I'm going to use myself as an example and my channel as an example. Nitrado servers. They allow people to host servers. That's their service, I guess. They allow people to host servers. I was going to say more, but that is basically what it is. So I host the server for them. I host multiple servers from them. And that's for the game Ark on the PS4. And I've made a lot of videos on how to set up your Ark server and all that sort of stuff, which then links back to Nitrado, and it also links back to my own business. But let's just focus on the affiliate stuff, because that will just be easier for everyone watching this video than to go down the whole path of creating a business. I've got a video about that linked. It's in the top right, so I need to point left. Linked in the top right. So yeah, watch that, and you'll learn more about creating a business around your channel. But we're just going to talk straight off on affiliate marketing, because it's the easiest way to do, and you can basically apply this strategy to anything else. So you've got something that can be sold, a way you can actually make money. You make a bunch of videos around that, at least 50 videos. I think I've got like upwards of 60 videos around setting up your Ark Survival Evolved server right about now. If you do that, yeah, you make a bunch of videos about this, you put a pre-roll in there, you have a link in the description, you have a link in the card, you have a link in the pinned comment that directs people to go and purchase this thing, and you can make money from that. You can make money forever, as long as this service is still up and about and whatnot. That catalog of videos will make you money forever. So you can make like 100 videos. You can say, okay, I'm sitting down, I'm gonna make 100 videos. You make 100 videos around that, all directing to this revenue stream. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, 5 of them pop off, probably more of them. Let's say 20 of them do well, and you've got over 10,000 views. You get like maybe 1,000 clicks, 500 sales. That's nice. That's nice. That's income. That's good income. Maybe it's not like you're not rich, but that's good strategic income. And then because you're creating evergreen content, that will make, I should have said, make sure you create evergreen content around this stuff, not just trendy content. Make sure it's evergreen content that will last forever. Then you'll be able to, like, these videos will be able to earn you money forever. And when you understand that, and you understand that you can make a bunch of videos now that make you a bunch of money in like 6 months or a year from now, when they rank in YouTube search and you've got good SEO around it, then you can just, you know, put out 1 video a week when you're ready, and continue bolstering that catalog, which will then, you know, compound the interest of the results you're getting. And you can then just do whatever you want on your channel. Like, I do whatever I want on my channel. I can do videos that won't do well because they don't need to. They don't need to do well. I do my entrepreneurship videos. They don't need to do well. That's because I want to help people become an entrepreneur. That's something I really believe in. I do my YouTube guide videos. They don't need to do well. I make those because I want to help people create their own YouTube channel that makes money. Like, I don't want people to be starving artists out there, and I want people to be able to do something they love and enjoy their life, because I'm able to do that, and I want to be able to help other people do that at the same time. But I'm not making those videos to blow up in YouTube, because they won't, because most people are not searching for those things. So I can basically do whatever I want, because I've done strategic work to be able to make money from my channel by making good catalog choices. and building catalog of videos that generate views, traffic, income forever. And that's what you want to do. That puts you in a great position of power. And most people overlook it. Most people are just chasing that next video, hoping that that next video gets 100,000 views or something. And then what? Then the video's dead. You get, you know, maybe a few pounds from it or a few dollars from it every month. Like, do better. When you put that video in a position where it can earn you real money forever, like it's linked to an affiliate product or your own product or something, you just get way better results. You get way better results. I 100% believe that. And I really think everyone should be focusing on not what is this video going to do tomorrow, but more, what is this video going to do for me in a year? And think about it that way. Think about building your channel as a library of different types of not different types of videos, because you can do the same type of videos, but maybe catalogs of different types of videos. I'm not 100% sure how I want to phrase this, to be honest, because it depends on what type of channel you're doing. If you've got a niche channel, then you may just want to be super niche, but then still think about, okay, I've got this many videos around this one thing, and I've got this many evergreen videos which are going to bring in views forever, and keep on adding to that library of evergreen videos that are going to continually bring people to your channel forever. And if you make a lot of similar content around, you know, the types of videos that are going to be bringing people in forever, then you're going to have a higher ratio of people who are going to subscribe because they see that you have more of that content. And if you continually add into those catalogs and libraries, then, you know, people are going to be happy with that. But of course, you can just make 50 videos around one thing, leave it there, move on to the next thing, and that can still make you money forever, basically. So this is the type of business mindset that I'm trying to transfer to you guys and give you some advice of what you can do. Like, you don't need to worry about next week's video or the week after's video and how it does on the first day or the first week or anything like that. I suggest worrying about what is, well, not worrying, but thinking about what a video can do for you in a year. Like, when you bring your mindset around to that, and you start seeing, okay, this video was made a year ago, look at what it's done for me, and you start putting out a lot more content. Like, I put out a bunch of content at once. I'm doing like 7 days, like 7 videos a week right about now. So each day a video is coming out. Those videos might get 50 views or whatever, but then in months, like, some of them are going to pick up, and videos that I did 5 months ago are going to pick up, and it just continually keeps going. So I don't have to worry about what these videos do in the first days, and I can continue to think on the long term. But when you're starting out, of course, you're going to want, you know, more things to happen quickly, because that's just the nature of the human animal. But you gotta just think for the long term. And then once you start doing that, in like 6 months, when the videos that you've made, because you've been focusing on building catalog, not just hoping that a video goes viral, you build a catalog around a certain theme, around a certain type of video, around a certain thing, and then you go into it in a lot of depth. Then, you know, some of those will pick up, some of those will do well in a few months, and then that will trickle down to the rest of the videos in that catalog around the same theme, or around the same playlist or whatever, and you'll get more views around that, more subscribers around that, and you'll be able to continue to make videos like that in the future. So yeah, when you think about the long term and you focus on the long term, like, videos from that I've done a year ago are doing well for me now, and in a year, videos that I did now are going to be doing, you know, nice things for me, way better things than the videos a year ago, because I know better now, and I know how I've already built a real business that my videos direct people to, and I've got good affiliate partnerships that my videos direct people to. So these videos are going to continually make money. And if you make money, you can continue to make content. Like, my businesses that making money and making revenue funds me creating content on the YouTube channel. So it's very, very important. I'm not on YouTube to just make money. It isn't like, okay, we got to make money, this is the whole point of everything. No, I want to be able to create content. I want to be able to enjoy games and enjoy reviews with you guys and do live streams and that sort of stuff. In order to do that, I got to make money to keep, you know, the lights on, keep me fed and all that sort of stuff. So I hope this video helped you guys out, helped you think a little bit more about building your catalog and building a library of different videos, which are video assets, I want to call them. I think I got that from a channel called Refuse to Settle. He calls them video assets, and that is definitely how you should think about your videos. Think of them as assets. When you make evergreen content, they are assets because they can in turn create traffic and revenue for you forever. So when you think about things like this, it really changes the way you approach your channel, and I think you'll be much less depressed when you put up a video and it gets like 20 views, because who cares if it's going to get hundreds of views in the next few months, thousands of views over years, and it's going to continually do great things for you. When you put in the work today, you see the results in the long term. Like, just keep being consistent. So yeah, if you got any questions or any other tutorials or videos you want me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next YouTube guide. This video may have been a bit all over the place because I didn't plan anything, didn't do any bullet points, but I hope I've communicated this idea across to you well enough. If I haven't, let me know in the comment section and I'll try and do a video that cleans it up a whole lot more. But yeah, I hope I helped you, and I hope you go on to start creating your catalog of videos. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment, or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you